Hey all, today we're going to talk about trading cryptocurrency on Binance. So if you all wanted to see the introduction to Binance, you could check my other video. I'll put a description in the link. So let's start this one off. So firstly, we're going to go into trade. Once you sign in the app, and you're going to select advance. Once you're going into advance, you're going to select the interval. So we're going to use 5-minute trades. So I'm going to select 5 minutes. Right, so after you do that now, you're going to put some indicators. So we're going to set up something called EME. So we're going to set up a moving average exponential indicator. So we're going to put 3 of those. 2, 3. Once you set the 3, click on the little gear to configure them. So we'll do it for 3, 6, and 9. So this one is already 9, so let's change the color. Put it to light blue. Change the thickness as well. Click OK. So the other one we'll put it red. Put the thickness. Remember this one is 6. Click OK. And for the last one we're going to put it as 3. We'll put a color of, let's just say yellow for now. Adjust the thickness. Click OK. So how this will work now is you need to look at the averages, and whenever the yellow line crosses the blue and the red, it'll indicate if it is the market is going to go up or if it's going to go down. Right? So if you notice here, the yellow line crossed the red and the blue, so it indicated that the market was going to go up, and the market did go up. And if it is, you look at this indicator here, you'll see that it crossed and it went down, and the market did go down. So right now the market is struggling on if it is going up or if it's coming down. So something that you could do when you're doing trading like this, it's also called scalping. So it's quick trades, so quick daily trades you're going to be doing. So you could draw a point of reference where it will show you where you want to go in and where's the safest point to pull out. And in order for us to purchase, on the right hand side here, we could do the limit trades or we could do market trades. So market trades is at the current price right now, whereas the limit trade will be whatever you want to trade. So let's just say I wanted to trade this. I will enter the total amount BTC. Or if it is I want to enter the USDT value, I can put it in here. Also, providing you have some USDT, you'll see it at the bottom for your assets, you could put the percentage that you want to use, whether it be 100%. So the minimum that you could trade is $10 USDT. So if I want to purchase right now, I'll click buy BTC and I'll purchase at this price. If BTC is not at this price, it will open up an order. And once I go into the order, providing that the market does reach the order, it will then buy the BTC. Similar, if I want to sell, I can click sell and I can set the value that I want to sell and how much Bitcoin I want to sell, whether it be all, half, or whatnot. So if it is we choose market now, and we decide, let's say we want to sell market, we'll sell at the current value. However, I don't really have any BTC purchase right now. Similarly, if it is I want to buy, I could click buy and I will be able to buy at the market value that is running right now. So we're just going to try a quick example. So notice the USDT there, right? We want to buy at market value. So whatever the market value is, now we're going to purchase. Now click buy BTC. Right, so notice the USDT went down and my BTC went up. So if it is I want to sell at market value, I can click sell. So we're just going to wait a while to see if it goes up or if it goes down. So I'll fast forward the video. Alright, so notice that the marker has indicated it went below the value that I'm willing to lose in the trade. So I could choose sell now and sell at market value, or I could set a limit and it will sell at the limit. So this is just for educational purposes, so we're just going to sell. Alright, and the amount we want to sell is the max BTC that we have. So we created a sell order. So notice the value went down by a few cents, so we lose a little in that trade. However, as you practice, do it with small amounts, and over time you will get better, and then you can start investing more and more. This is just for educational purposes. I am not a financial advisor, so I would not encourage you to invest all of your life savings into this. However, feel free to practice, and happy trading. Thank you all for viewing. Bye.